Hello everyone, my name is Brianna Vaughn, and today the tool I am going to be presenting is called Powtoon. Here is the web address to Powtoon. Who is Powtoon designed for? Powtoon is designed for teachers and students. Teachers can create a video to introduce themselves, the class, subject, or assignment. Teachers can present a class syllabus, rules, and goals in order to set clear expectations at the beginning of the school year. Teachers can use the explainer videos to break down complex concepts. The Mission Impossible template can be used by teachers to present an upcoming assignment or project. And teachers can create a year in review video as well. Students can create timeline videos to present history in a social studies class. They can showcase research and data in a research summary video. Students can turn a written book report into a video using the book report template. Students can turn resumes into a video as well using the student resume template. And the blue sky board template can get students to think about their futures. Here are the features of Powtoon. Powtoon has pre-made templates. There's an edit and create mode. You can preview videos before exporting them. You can add and remove seconds from the video to make it longer or shorter. You can format the text. You can add different animated characters into your Powtoon video. You can import songs or use free songs already on the website. You can add voiceover to the Powtoon videos. You can upload videos and import images. There's a feature to add shapes, props, and pictures from special themes into videos, and you can change the scene and background. There are 4 different types of packages for Powtoon. There's a free version that you can sign up for, and that is the Powtoon version that I use to create all of my Powtoon videos. There's also a Pro package, a Pro Plus package, and an agency package. The Pro package is the most popular, and it's $19 per month. The Pro Plus package is the best value and costs $59 per month. And the agency package costs $99 per month. There are different features that you get with each type of package. For the free version, your videos export with Powtoon branding. The maximum length of your videos is 3 minutes, and the storage is 100 megabytes. For the Pro package, you have 5 premium exports per month, and your videos can be a maximum length of 10 minutes long, and the storage that you get with this package is 2 gigabytes. With this package, you also have Powtoon branding removed from your videos. You can download your videos as MP4s. You have privacy control, 24/7 priority support, and commercial use rights. With the Pro Plus package, you have unlimited premium exports, and your videos can be a maximum length of 20 minutes long with a storage of 10 gigabytes. With the Pro Plus package, you get the same features as the Pro package. Lastly, with the agency package, you have unlimited premium exports. Your videos can be a maximum length of 30 minutes long, and the storage that you receive with this package is 100 gigabytes. You get the same additional features with the agency package as you do with the Pro Plus and Pro packages, as well as third-party resale rights. You can upload custom fonts, and you have advanced animation features. There are some pros and cons of Powtoon. Some pros are that it is easy to use, it creates engaging videos, it is free, it can convert any PowerPoint presentation into a Powtoon video, and your Powtoon videos can be uploaded to YouTube. Some cons are that it costs money to get more features. For the free version, videos can only be a maximum of 3 minutes long. It exports videos with Powtoon branding, and the storage for the free version is only 100 megabytes. Here is a short little quiz. The first question, true or false? The Pro Plus plan costs $59 per month and is the best valued package. That is true. The second question is also true or false. Students and teachers can create their video or use templates already provided by the website. That is also true. In this last slide here, I have provided 2 examples that I have created using Powtoon. I am an educational technology minor, so that is where I was first introduced to Powtoon. The first link here is to a teacher introduction video that I have created using Powtoon, and the second one is a unit introduction video that I have created using Powtoon. Now I am going to show you how to use Powtoon. Once you sign up for a free account, this is what your screen is going to look like when you sign in. Here are all the different Powtoon videos that I have created. Now if you want to create a new Powtoon, you will go up to Templates. Here are all the different templates that Powtoon has available for you to use. You can also hit all, and you have the option of choosing education, work, or personal. For our purposes, we're going to use education. In education, you have the categories to choose from of all, remote learning, teacher, and student. I'm going to click teacher. Here are all the different templates that you have available to use as a teacher. I am going to use the school syllabus. You have the ability to preview the template to see what the whole video looks like, or you can also use it to edit, to create your own Powtoon video. So once the template pops up on the left-hand side, you can see all the different slides that you can edit within that template. Right now we're in the edit mode. That's for just little small tweaks in your video, but in order to fully edit it to make the template your own Powtoon video, you're going to want to be in the create mode. In the create mode, you can see down at the bottom here, you can add or remove seconds from your video. You can also play it to see what it looks like. On the right-hand side here, you can change your scene as well as your background. You can upload your own image for your background. You can pick from a solid background color, or they have different backgrounds already in the program that you can choose from. You can also edit your text. You can add different animated characters to switch out this original animated character in the template. For our purposes as a teacher, you can try to find an animated character that looks most like you. Here are different props that you can choose from, as well as shapes. You can upload your own image to your videos. You can also upload videos or choose from videos they already have in Powtoon to add to your video. You can search sounds that are already in Powtoon to use into your video. You can add your own music as well as a voiceover. Lastly, the specials tab on the right-hand side here, you can choose from different categories to add to your Powtoon video. If you're doing a video around the winter holidays, you can select that. Then there's different animated characters and stickers and pictures and so on and so forth that you can add into your video about the winter holidays. It is important to save your video as you go along. Sometimes it will automatically save for you. You can also, when you're ready, hit the preview and export button. Preview will allow you to preview the video you have created so far, and after that it will prompt you to export it or come back to this create mode to continue editing your video. And that is a quick glance at Powtoon. Thank you.